Okay, to authorize the dispenser, the blue square means that that is the last dispenser you selected, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Zubul out there is testing the card readers. Okay, number 7. Prepay. Never use preset. Prepay. Common amount of fuel that's purchased is 5, 10, 20, 50. Okay, because don't worry about these up here. They'll make the selection outside.
Oh, yeah, okay.
$10. Okay, pump, $10. Tender. If the customer wants groceries, right here is where you can add the groceries to the fuel. If not, go straight to tender. Kroger plus ID, no. Okay, this is where you tell it how they're going to pay. Whether it's going to be with money, debit, credit, check, so on. We're going to pay with 10 because that's what we got. It opens up.
Okay.
They give you the money. You close the drawer. That pump is ready to go.
Okay.
Okay? That's pre-authorizing.
Yeah.
If you want to move this sale to another dispenser because they told you the wrong number, with the nozzle back in the cradle, you need to hit pump, stop, then you're going to hit move, then you select the destination dispenser for prepay, number 8, and that's it.
Okay, select,
Okay?
stop and move.
Yes. Now, if you want to void this transaction, you're going to do the same, but you're not going to hit move. You're going to hit pump, stop, void. You see void right here? Which buffer do you wish to void? It's going to be the top one with that cash register right there. And you see where it says $10? That is your A buffer. Now it's voiding the prepay. You see where it says -$10? You're going to hit that -10 because that's what they gave you. They gave you money. If it would have been debit or credit, you would have selected these either debit or credit over here. So it's money, so we're going to hit -10. That means negative out of your till, so you give them your money back. Alright? So now I'm going to have you try it.